Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing the 5 best Maybelline makeup that you guys must have. I'm actually going to be applying all these products on my face, and I'll be able to explain to you why I love these products. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. If you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. I really appreciate all your support. These 5 products, I'll be applying them on my face so you guys actually be able to see how they actually applied on my skin. So if you've got a combination skin like me, and I get really oiled up during summertime, guys, so these are the products that you guys must try if you haven't tried them yet. This is the Maybelline MasterCamo, and this is a correcting cream. This is in the shade Apricot. Cancel out any dark circles under your eyes. And guys, this is actually very effective. I actually did try to use other products. It actually didn't work for me, but this one here, it's actually easy to apply. It's also got this sponge applicator, so you actually don't need to use a brush to apply it under your eyes. They also do come in green correcting cream. The Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage. Actually, full coverage foundation. Little product goes along the way. It actually does oxidize a little bit. Actually, combining 2 shades here. So I've got the shade soft beige and the soft bronze. I actually did a video a while ago. If you guys haven't watched it yet, this is me comparing this foundation to an high-end foundation. So if you guys haven't watched that yet, the link somewhere in the top screen, and also down the description box below. Looking for a full coverage foundation that is actually from drugstore, and it's leaving your face flawlessly. Your makeup lasts longer. Really, you actually don't need a concealer anymore. The only thing that's gonna cause cakiness, because it's a full coverage, is actually put a lot of foundation. So I'm actually using the sponge from TK Maxx, which is called Revive. So also bear in mind, guys, that you know any foundation that you use, making sure that you use the right skincare for your skin type, and also the right primer to apply before a foundation. Guys, I'm just gonna set my makeup, and then I'm gonna be applying some products of my eyes now, and I'll be back. So the third product I'll be applying on my face, which is this Maybelline MasterCamo. This is a metallic highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Gold. Guys, that's so pigmented, and this highlight really lasts a very long time on your face. Pigmented it is, guys. So I'm just applying it on my bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Apply too much highlighter, which is I usually do most of the time, because I get very excited. We just use a sponge just to diffuse any excess highlighter on my inner corner as well, just to open up my eyes. See how pigmented it is, guys. See, compare from the other inner corner. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to be applying this on my brow bone. What I'll be applying now is the 4th product, the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. A long time subscriber of mine, guys. You know how I've actually loved this brow product from Maybelline. Very fine. It's got a very fine pencil, guys, so it's actually very easy to apply, especially when you have sparse brows like mine, and also they last longer. See, it's just so easy to apply, and I'm just applying it very lightly. And also, if you haven't watched me comparing this with Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow products, I will put the link on the top of the screen, guys, and also down the description box below. Yeah, so if you guys wanted to save, this is actually a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz. As you can see, guys, the difference between my brows. Like so, the last product, guys, is the Maybelline Superstay ink crayons. Very smooth on the lips, and they're actually very pigmented as well. And the other thing too I love, it actually come in a sharpener, very handy in that you can just put in your handbag. I think the shade Stay Exceptional. Show you guys how pigmented it is. So it's a very, very soft formula, and it's easy to apply. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out in picking up some products from Maybelline. If you've actually undecided which products you should get or you should try, comment down below which are your 5 best Maybelline products. I would love to hear from you guys, and also please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.